Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Granny Square motif number 33. For this project, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with any of that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches or techniques. So for this project, I'm using variegated yarn, so my color is going to slightly change through this video. So for round 1, you're going to start off by chaining 4, and in the last chain from the hook, you are going to work 11 double crochets, and then you're going to join with a slip stitch. The chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet for this whole entire video. So we're joining with our slip stitch. Now for round 2, we are going to chain 3, and then we are going to work 3 double crochets into the following stitch. Then we're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be working a double crochet in the next stitch, followed by working 3 double crochets into the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around and you will join with a slip stitch. Now that you've joined your work, let's go ahead and start off onto round 3. You're going to start off by chaining 1, and then you're going to single crochet into the same space as the joined stitch. Then you will chain 1, and you're going to skip the next stitch, if I can say it right. Then you're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be single crocheting into the following stitch, chaining 2, and then single crochet into that same space, followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and single crocheting into the following stitch, and then you'll do that again one more time of chaining 1, skipping 1. You'll repeat this 5 times. So again, the repeat is going to be single crocheting into the following stitch, chaining 2, single crocheting into the same space, then chaining 1, skipping 1, single crocheting in the following stitch, followed by chaining 1, skipping 1. And this again is repeated 5 times. Then once you've repeated that and you're coming up to the end, you are going to do a single crochet into the next stitch, followed by chaining 2, single crochet into that same space, then you will chain 1, skip 1, and you will join with a slip stitch. Here we are just finishing off row 3, joining with our slip stitch. You can see how it's starting to get that fun octagon shape. I don't think that's the right shape. Anywho, so for round 4 is a little bit complicated, so let's go ahead and jump straight into it. You're going to chain 1 and single crochet in the same space of this join. Then you are going to chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the following stitch, and then chain 1, skip 1. Then we're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be single crocheting into the following stitch. Then you will chain 2 and single crochet into that same space. Then you will chain 1, skip 1, and then you are going to do a repeat again within this repeat of single crocheting into the next stitch, chaining 1, skipping 1. This is repeated 3 times within this repeat. So that beginning of this repeat of single crocheting in the following stitch, followed by chaining 2, and then single crocheting into the same stitch, followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and then you will do a single crochet in the next stitch, followed by chaining 1, skipping 1. That is repeated again 3 times, and you will repeat this whole entire thing 5 times total. You are then going to single crochet into the following stitch, chain 2, single crochet into that same space, followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, single crocheting into the next stitch, chaining 1, skipping 1, and then finally joining with a slip stitch. I know it's a lot, but once you kind of get the rhythm of it, it ends up flowing really well. And there you have it. That's how you do the Granny Square motif number 33. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do videos like this about every week. I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.